My name's Darcy and we're here at Thornhill Park on an installation, and I work for Austral Group. With precast panels, nothing's easy. Getting everything square, making it fit where it shouldn't fit, and then safety's a massive thing with it. There's so much potential to go wrong. So it's a 2-day install, and over the 2 days we're going to be securing and installing the spandrel panels. So we're landing blade panels with encased shoulders, and on the shoulders sit the spandrel panels, and we've got to plumb them up and secure them and prop everything, secure it and prep it to be welded for the boys. So the steel props we use, they come in all different lengths and strengths. We use them for plumbing and securing purposes. So it makes it easier to get the panel plumbed straight, square, makes everything safer. A crew that you trust and that does the job safely is imperative to a good precast installation.